Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to either start or stop the Windows Media Player Network Sharing Service on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in Services, Best Match, so come back with Services, go ahead and open that up. And now you want to go down to the Windows Media Player Network Sharing Service. I can make this column a little bit wider here as well. So again, Windows Media Player Network Sharing Service, double click on it. And if service status is stop, you go ahead and select the start button to go ahead and start it up. Otherwise, you can stop it if it's currently running by selecting the stop button. And then once that's done, select OK, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.